What if time doesn't move forward? What if it bends, curves? What if every second you live has already happened again and again? This isn't science fiction, it's physics. And it might mean the universe itself is stuck in an endless loop. We typically experience time like a river, flowing relentlessly from the past into the future, a linear progression we cannot escape. However, Albert Einstein presented a revolutionary perspective, viewing time not as a separate entity, but as a dimension intricately woven into the very fabric of space. He described it as a fabric, not merely a flow. If one could step outside this four-dimensional continuum, all moments would appear to exist simultaneously. Birth, death, and everything in between, frozen together in the same eternal frame, defying our conventional understanding of progression. From this perspective, time itself doesn't truly pass. Instead, we are the ones passing through its unchanging, eternal landscape. Physicists refer to the arrow of time, which explains why we distinctly remember the past, but hold no memory of the future. This arrow is fundamentally defined by entropy, the universal tendency for systems to move from states of order towards increasing chaos and disorder. Yet, in extreme environments, such as the intense gravitational fields near black holes or at the very edge of the Big Bang, this arrow may cease to exist. There, entropy resets, and the clear boundaries between cause and effect blur into one, allowing time to potentially fold back upon itself. Some cosmologists propose that the universe itself is cyclical, engaged in an endless rhythm of creation and collapse. The Big Bang, in this view, wasn't the absolute beginning, but merely the latest pulse in an infinite cosmic heartbeat. Each cycle expands, cools, dies, and then begins anew, forming a cosmic loop with no true first note and no final silence. We might be living in the trillionth iteration of the same universe, where every thought you've ever had has been thought countless times before. At the quantum level, time behaves with profound strangeness. Particles can seemingly move backward or exist in multiple timelines simultaneously. In quantum theory, a photon leaving a distant star might reach your eyes today, and paradoxically, also yesterday. Experiments even suggest that the act of observing something can subtly alter the past of what is being observed. This isn't a mere paradox. It's a profound reality where the future holds the power to rewrite its own history. Consider the feeling of déjà vu, or dreams that feel uncannily familiar, moments that seem to repeat themselves. While some physicists dismiss these as mere coincidences, what if they are echoes, memories from the last version of this cosmic loop? If time truly resets, then everything within it, atoms, stars, even consciousness, would also reset. Perhaps our very souls are just echoes from previous cycles, a record replaying in a cosmic groove too deep to ever escape. If the universe concludes in a fiery big crunch, collapsing everything back into a singularity, time itself will reverse. Alternatively, if it ends in a cold big freeze, expanding into infinite silence, entropy will ultimately reset. Either way, the conditions will be set for the next Big Bang to ignite once more, beginning the cycle anew. And in that new universe, you will live this very moment once more. Right here, right now. What if you've already heard these words? What if you already know what happens next? Perhaps the universe isn't striving to move forward, but rather, it's trying to remember. We are its memory, fleeting flickers of thought within an endless, repeating pattern. And when it ends, we will begin again. This is truth in the shadows, where time never truly ends, it only repeats.